Hey guys, after a super long hiatus, I'm back. And let's start off by answering some of the most frequently asked questions I got. Yes, I am alive. Yes, I still draw. And for those wondering, yes, I'm going to start making YouTube a consistent thing. And what kind of content can you expect from me? Drawings like this, tutorials on how I'm able to draw like this, Q&As. Feel free to leave a question in the comments so I'm able to answer that question in a new video. And for today's video, we have Mic Guy as he opens up the 8th gate, ready to lay a pounding on Madara. And here's the final completed drawing of Mic Guy as he opens up the 8th gate. And this is the part of the video I want to ask you to like, subscribe, but also turn on all notifications so you never miss any new video that I drop on a weekly basis. Until the next one, guys, out.